Hi, my name is Lyra May Atilano. I am from Luzon. And my motivation for joining the USANA Nutrition Coach program is that I'm almost 6 years in the business of USANA. And I believe regaining my health has been the missing piece in this entrepreneurial journey that comes with a big mission for others' health and wellness. But it starts primarily on my health and wellness. I now understand that we cannot effectively encourage others to go to a place that we ourselves haven't been to. Joining the nutrition coach program was a full circle moment for me. So, the topic that I chose for this video presentation is number 14, Bridging Science and Daily Habits, the coach's role in translating knowledge. Just a little backstory. I have been a science enthusiast ever since I was a kid. I used to read books about herbal medicines and medical books about diseases in my elementary years. Yes, as early as that. I was so hooked in science. However, I was not able to live life based on what I read when I transferred to Manila. From a farm girl in the province of Mindoro, where I can harvest produce right from our backyard, life here was totally different. As I began working, I was immersed into an unhealthy way of living. More than 8 hours exposure to radiation, eating from fast food chains, drowning in heavy stress, little to no sleep, the list goes on. I was 17 kilos overweight beginning that year when I told myself, enough of the unhealthy lifestyle. I started my health redemption journey third week of February. 2 months after, I lost 7 kilos. There was science to it. And of course, building healthier habits was the kilometer zero for me. And the nutrition coach program helped me to understand more of this so I would be able to help others in their health journey as well. Knowing how our body functions, how the different systems are working in harmony, the basics of macro and micronutrients, and how they impact our overall health has been the foundational knowledge for me. Partnering with Usana on this journey was the wisest decision. Being the pioneer and the leader in cellular nutrition, nourishing and repairing damages right from the roots ourselves. I like to explain it as when we see a plant with some of its leaves browning already, we don't just cut off the leaves, right? We also consider watering the plant as it is basic knowledge that it needs nutrition from the soil. So we're addressing the root. All the more that we need to apply this very same principle in our body to address the nutritional gap right from the roots ourselves. Otherwise, it will die. So, how did I do it? You may ask. I started building the sleep by creating better habits, most especially on what I allow to enter my body. It's been 5 months now since I committed to a lifestyle where soft drinks no longer exist on our dining table. I now cook meals and I have a healthier relationship with food. I no longer see them as enemy that would attack me, but rather as a source of macro and micronutrients that would give my body energy. I see carrots now as a good source of beta carotene, which is not only good for our eyes, but also for our skin. It has fiber, which is very essential for digestion, B vitamins that are one of the key vitamins group in converting glucose into energy. So as much as possible, I would eat a rainbow because that shows how my meal is loaded with nutrients. And of course, topping it off with Usana cellular nutrition support to bridge my nutritional gap from what I don't have on my plate. Now I share my daily routine and transformation story to others, back up with science I learned from nutrition coach program and from medical experts in Usana. Gold mine that led me into this healthier, happier version of me. So I encourage everyone to adopt a healthy lifestyle because the one who would take care of us 10 years from now is who we are today. Our choices, decisions would make a big difference to the kind of life we like to live in the future. Better tomorrow starts today. So do something today that your future self will thank you for. I am Lyra, your upcoming nutrition coach, ready to hold your hand and walk with you in this journey to true health. with USANA.